Get a COVID shot.
Governor Phil Scott announced a standing order today guaranteeing Vermonters can get the vaccine regardless of federal rules.
Channel 3's Claire Jones joins us live in the studio with what she's learned. Claire, what can you tell us?
Yes, Kat and Darren, earlier this year, the federal government said if you are between 12 and 65 years old, you must have a prescription from a doctor with a reason for you to get the COVID vaccine from a pharmacy. The state of Vermont now stepping in to say the choice is entirely up to you. The back and forth of vaccine rules making heads spin.
Yeah, that's kind of confusing.
I've seen just a lot of anxiety, maybe a little bit of fear out there of folks who have thought maybe that I would not be available to them.
But the state of Vermont taking a hard stance.
We will be releasing our own recommendations to ensure that anybody in Vermont who wants access to a COVID vaccine should be able to get access to a COVID vaccine.
Governor Scott's office and the health department issuing a standing order for the state based on guidance from national medical associations, making the choice up to Vermonters without needing a doctor's permission to get the COVID vaccine.
I think is great because it opens the option to everyone and makes it affordable for people, because if it's expensive, like any medical care, it's too expensive. So making it available, it probably means that it'll be better covered.
The pharmacists we spoke to say they still don't know if insurance coverage for vaccines will change, but they say they don't believe it will.
I have not seen a vaccine not covered. I guess I can't really tell what's going to happen in the future, but I would be pretty comfortable saying that it probably wouldn't change.
Putting the power of choosing if you want the vaccine back in your hands.
Last year it was you could walk into a pharmacy and get it, and then so far this year we've not been able to do that. I think this is a very important step that the state has taken to just basically say, you know, we're following the medical science and we're going to allow for patients to make this choice on their own.
And the state standing order is effective immediately, but it may take your local pharmacy some time to get everything in stock, so just give them a call before going in. But if you want to get the COVID vaccine or other fall vaccines from your doctor, you will have to wait. The CDC Vaccine Advisory Group is meeting today and tomorrow to make decisions about those fall vaccines. The state has to wait until then in order to get the vaccines through the CDC. After that, it will be a few weeks until they're delivered to primary care physicians across the state. Live in the studio, Claire Jones, Channel 3 News. Back to you guys.
Claire,